Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to customize quick panel layout and its buttons in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application name as GoodLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. So you firstly download and install the GoodLock or the FindLock, whichever is available for your respective Samsung smartphones. And after that, just open the GoodLock or FindLock. Now just click on this plugin, and now you need to download one plugin named as Quickster. So I've already downloaded this too, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this plugin named as Quickster. After that, just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now here you can see the panel theme, so just click on it. So here you will say the recommended themes, so whichever themes you want, you can select it, so you can click on it. And now if I swipe down the quick panel layout, so you can see here the color had changed, and if you want to remove it again, just tap and hold on it and click on this remove, and it will restore back to the default theme. And even you can create your own theme by clicking on this plus button. So this is all about the panel theme. And next option is the edit panel style. So here you can add a background under the It's button. So if you want to add a background under the volume bar, then you can just click on this plus button and you can select your respective image file. Click on apply. Now let me swipe down the quick panel layout. So you can see here the image has been added on the background of this respective volume button. And if you want to remove it, just click on this minus button. Click on delete and it will restore back. And next option is buttons. So under the buttons also you can add the respective image file by clicking on the plus option. So here tons of buttons option. And next option is borders. So you can show or hide borders. So this is all about the edit panel style. And next option is the advanced settings. So here you can edit landscape layout also and show bar labels. So if you enable this, then it will show you the volume level, brightness level. As you can see here, it's showing a number here. And next is our resize panel items. So if you enable it, and you can resize it by clicking on this pencil-like icon. And now you can resize it depending upon your needs, which style you want. So once you're done, you can click on done. And next option is expand color palettes for icons. So you can enable it to add a color palette option for the respective buttons. And button spacing, you can set it to wide or narrow. And you can split the panel ratio also, like 50-50, or you can set for quick settings more. Like when we swipe from the right, it's the quick settings. And when we swipe from the left top corner, it will show you the notifications. So you can increase and decrease the split panel ratio also. So this is all about the advanced settings. And below you will see the visibility of indicator icons, where you can enable or disable the respective indicator icons. And the last one is the clock settings, where you can customize your quick panel clock options. So you can show that, so AM or PM, so seconds, left, height or right positions of the clock. So by using this cool application named as Quickster, you can easily customize quick panel layout and its buttons in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.